If you are searching for apps needed for your YouTube channel, search no more, because today I'll be talking about growing and managing your YouTube channel just using your cell phone. So if you're interested, stay tuned and I'll be right back. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing my top app that will help you to grow your YouTube channel. So number one on my list is Gmail app. If you're planning to have a channel, you must surely have a Gmail app, because this is where you will be receiving your mails, send out mails, block spam, create email address, and do a lot more. Even some app cannot work without Gmail, because this is where they will be sending you messages, sending you password. So Gmail app is one app that you cannot do without, especially when you have something to do with YouTube. Number two on my list is YouTube Studio app. If you want to have an easy access to your YouTube channel, just download this app, because it's gonna be helping your life a lot. This YouTube Studio app is one app that you can analyze, manage and grow your channel. This is where you can post, delete, know how much you are making, monetize your content, edit your content, and do much more. You can even add thumbnails from this app. So if you have not downloaded this app today, just try and download it, because it's gonna be helping you a lot in accessing and managing your YouTube videos. Number three app I'm recommending is Filmic Pro app. This is one app that will help you to film like a pro, because it helps you to control the focus, the white balance, the exposure, the audio quality. This Filmic Pro app turns your mobile phone into a DSLR camera, because anything you can do on your DSLR camera, you can as well do it on your mobile phone. This app is so amazing, because it turns your video into it takes your video into a professional level, more bright, more focused. The only disadvantage is that it's a pay app, but if you're a content creator and you have the money, I'm recommending this app for you, because it's gonna be taking your video to another level. Another app on my list that has made content creating more beautiful and fun is our one and only Canva. If it comes to decorating and designing, just leave it for Canva. Canva is one app that will help you to create your thumbnails, your templates, your banner. This is where you can create a lot of things. This app is so amazing that you can create your wedding card, your birthday card. In fact, all your graphic designing can be done on Canva, and it is beginners friendly, very easy to use, and you can as well make money on Canva by creating templates of your own. Even with the free version, you are good to go, unless you want to level up your content to another level. You can upgrade. For my editing app, I'm recommending CapCut. CapCut is that editing app that will help you to do a lot of things. It is very easy to use, beginners friendly, and very flexible. Like when it comes to editing, just leave it for CapCut. And if you're a content creator and you have not downloaded this app, just download it today and thank me later. So guys, these are all the apps that I have used in managing my YouTube channel. And before I forget, please always download a drive. Always download a drive, because life do happens and you will lost all your content, like you lost your phone. You can easily download it from your drive. I'm recommending Google Drive, iCloud. Just try and download your files, download your content for future use. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please hit the notification button to be notified when I post a new video, and please support your girl by clicking the subscription button to subscribe. Thanks and bye.